Right, so if you're noticing the lower quality both of my video and of the audio, don't worry about that. This is kind of an experiment. So today I'm going to share a dream story with you guys. But I wanted to experiment with just recording this on my iPad because I kind of like the idea of occasionally doing dream story videos where I wake up first thing in the morning, I grab my iPad and I record a video right away talking about the dreams that I just had. I thought it would be kind of cool because, you know, they're most fresh in my memory then. And so this is my experiment to see if the video and audio quality is bearable. Let me know in the comments down below. So the dream I'm going to share today starts off with me in a plane. Now, if you watched the previous dream story video, the last one that I put out, you might think that this is a recurring dream sign for me because that one also featured me in a plane. Actually, though, that's not the case. And this is actually the first dream I've had of me being in a plane since I had that one many months ago that I shared with you guys. Now, in this dream, I'm in a plane and I don't really know how to fly it, but there's someone else in there who does. And this person, I just knew that they were like some kind of rival or enemy of mine. We were originally against each other, but for whatever reason, we were working together to fly this plane. It was like we'd come to an agreement that there was some kind of bigger enemy that we had to face or something. We're in the plane, we're flying it, and he tells me that we have to parachute out so we can get to our objective. And at this point, I have no idea what our objective even is, and I have no idea where we're going. But he parachutes out, and obviously I'm not going to sit around in the plane when I don't know how to fly it, so I parachute out too. Now, before we left the plane, one thing he did say is that when I see our objective, I'll know what it is. And when I landed, I just began kind of exploring. We landed in some fields, and I was just kind of going through the hedges, looking around the fields, trying to see what I could see. And at some point, I got the feeling that we were close to the objective, or that I was rather, because the other guy that I was in the plane with wasn't anywhere to be found at this point. And then I became lucid. I was aware that I was in a dream, but I thought, hey, this is kind of interesting. I wonder what my objective is, or what my subconscious is going to tell me my objective is. And so I began to keep exploring, looking for this objective. And at this point, I encountered an alien, like from Alien vs Predator. And I saw it had a gun, and it was looking around, and I just knew that it was after me. So I decided to go like full on stealth mode and like crouch behind the bushes and start trying to sneak past it. But then I noticed that it noticed me. So I just dashed off. I went to the nearest field. I hid there. And then I thought, wait a second, why am I running like that when I'm lucid? But I wasn't at like the highest level of lucidity. So there was still some weird dream thinking going on. And I remember thinking, hey, why don't I just release the game that I'm working on, and then the objective will be safe. I don't understand this at all. I don't know what this had to do with anything, why in my dream I thought I was working on a game and I thought that by releasing it telepathically somehow I would like save our objective. I had no idea what our objective was, but yeah, I kind of had a bit of a case of dream brain going, and I decided to do that. So telepathically, using my dream control, I released this video game that I was apparently working on, and then I see like this beam of light shooting up in the nearby field where the objective is. And suddenly the alien turns around and starts running after it because apparently he needs to get to it before whatever I'm doing completes. So I start going after him this time, and this time I'm just watching what he's doing, but the thing beams up, disappears, and suddenly I wake up wondering what the hell that dream was all about. So yeah, that was just a quick silly dream that I wanted to share with you guys, mainly to test what the quality of this video and audio is like. Let me know in the comments if it's, you know, bearable. Obviously this wouldn't be for my main videos, this would just be for like, if I want to share a dream story right after I've woken up. You know, it's obviously easier to record it there and then with my iPad than it is to, you know, set up equipment and still remember the whole dream in detail. Now before we go, I'd like to ask you guys, have you had any dreams like this where you've gotten lucid and then dream brain has taken over and you've just had some really weird thoughts or actions that you wouldn't normally do if you were completely, totally 100% lucid and clear-headed, but you were like lucid, but still thinking like if you were in a regular dream? Have you had any dreams like that? Let me know. And I'd like to remind you that if you're looking to learn to lucid dream, then I highly recommend checking out my lucid dreaming book that just released. It is called the Lucid Dream Book. There are 8 chapters, and in those chapters you're going to learn a ton of information. I'm going to display some of that on screen right now. If you want to get it, you can go to gum.co/theluciddreambook. That's gum.co/theluciddreambook. Or you can check out the link in the top right hand corner, or the one down in the description below. Anyway, thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe and enable notifications, and if you want to keep watching, check out one of those videos on screen, go watch that and I'll see you there soon. Take care.